And now I'm in the bathroom. Yes, I'm all over the place, but that's what you do. Okay, so I am now putting up the cement board around the tub, surround, before I tile. So the process is, you want to put this cement board, this is HardieBacker, and then I'll put RedGuard waterproof membrane, and then I'll put the thin set, and then I'll put the tile, and then I'll put the grout. So quite a process getting the tile in, lots of layers. But for now, just gonna put the cement board up. So it is cement board. So I have special cement board screws. And anyway, so I'm nailing this to the studs. Screws should go in no greater than 8 inches apart. It's best to pre-drill because it's pretty tough material. I don't want to tweak the screws. Anyway, so yeah, pre-drilling. Again, using a diamond-tipped drill to get through this stuff. I got my drill. I've got my driver. Drill, driver. This one has more oomph. So this is just for drilling. This is for screwing those screws in. Screw. Sometimes it sticks. Anyway, so you get the idea. I'll do a row there, a row there, a row there, and then cut out another piece for the top, cut out a piece for the back. Anyway, so the whole tub has to be surrounded by this cement board, the HardieBacker. One step at a time. I'll get that done. And oh, I should have had my mask up because that makes some dust that I probably don't want to be breathing. It's also pretty hard to cut this stuff. You don't cut it with the usual blade. You need a diamond tip blade or a carbide blade. And it makes a lot of dust, so it's not really fun stuff to work with, but it needs to be done. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, that's done. That board's done. I'm gonna cut more.